In Finance Solver, when PMT equals 0, compounding periods per year equals payments per year equals K. K is the number of compounding periods per year, and capital N equals N times K. Therefore, capital N is the total number of compounding periods in N years. Question 3. Andrew has $520 in his saving account. Andrew considers investing the money for 5 years with a bank. The bank offers an annual interest rate of 1.2% compounded quarterly. Calculate the amount of money Andrew would have at the end of 5 years with a bank. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. First of all, for this question, we know PMT equals 0. So CY equals PY equals K. We know this K equals 4, N equals 5, and R equals 1.2%. As long as PMT equals 0, you have 2 choices. Either you use compounding interest formula or use Finance Solver. It's really up to you. I will show you both ways to work this out. I will show you how to use this formula to solve question A. Future value equals present value times 1 plus R over 100 times K to the power of K times N. Then we just need to plug in or do the substitution. 520 is a PV, so 520 times 1 plus 1.2 over 100 times K is 4. 4 times 5. Then we go to calculator. Enter. 2 decimal places. $552.11. Now, I will show you how to use the equation solver to solve this question. K quarterly is 4. So we get 4. 4. And N equals N times K. N is 5. So 5 times 4 equals 20. 1.2%. Present value is negative 520. PMT is 0. Future value is something we are looking for. Go to menu 8, enter. N is 20. I is 1.2. Present value is negative 520. PMT is 0. Future value is something we are looking for. PPY is 4. Then move the cursor to future value, enter. We got exactly the same answer. $252.11. Instead of investing the money, Andrew decides to buy a phone that costs $520. At the end of 5 years, the phone will have a value of $30. It may be assumed that depreciation rate per year is constant. Find B. Calculate the annual depreciation rate of the phone. This question still PMT equals 0. So if you want to use a finance solver, make sure CY equals PY equals K. Since PMT equals 0, we can still use this formula to work this out. In this situation, we need to figure out depreciation rate per year, which means K equals 1. So we do the substitution. $30 for future value. Present value is $520. 1 plus. We are looking for this rate over 100 times 1. 1 times 5. Let's go to calculator. Then we go to control menu. We want to solve this by equation solver. Enter, enter, enter. We got negative answer. Remember, depreciation rate is negative. Negative 43.5 at the 3/6 phase. By solver, R equals negative 43.5. When you answer this question, it should be a positive answer. So we will see the depreciation rate is 43.5%. Do not forget this percentage. CYPY both 1. Future value is 30. PMT is 0. Present value is negative 520. Interest rate is something we are looking for. Capital N equals NK equals 5 times 1 equals 5. Let's go to calculator. I is something we are looking for. Present value negative 520. PMT is 0. Future value is 30. PY is 1. Move the cursor to I%, enter. You got the same answer.